According to tradition, on the 3rd of September 301, the world's oldest republic still in existence was founded when Saint Marinus established San Marino. Welcome to HistoryPod. The end of the 3rd century saw the Roman Empire facing widespread instability due to internal conflicts and external pressures. After the city walls of Rimini were destroyed by Liburnian pirates, the Christian stonemason Marinus left his home on the island of Rab in modern Croatia and went to work on rebuilding them. Marinus was later ordained as a deacon by Gaudentius, the Bishop of Rimini. However, amidst continuing violence and instability that would eventually result in the Roman Emperor Diocletian's persecution of Christians, he fled to seek refuge on the nearby Mount Titano, where he built a chapel and monastery. As the Diocletian persecution of Christians intensified, a small community began to gather around Marinus, laying the foundation of what would later become the Republic of San Marino. As the settlement grew, the inhabitants established a proto-republican structure of government that has shaped San Marino's political identity. In the early years, towns around Mount Titano gradually began to join with the original settlement, while attempts during the medieval period to conquer the Republic failed. By the start of the 17th century, San Marino's independence had been recognised by the Pope. While the Republic's first government was based on a self-governed assembly, the current system has been in place since the Statutes of 1600. While these are not a constitution in the conventional sense, they describe the various councils of San Marino, its courts, and the role of the captain's regent, who continue to serve as elected joint heads of state. Consequently, San Marino is considered to have the earliest written governing documents still in effect.